Alright, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So capital and capital. So the capital is often the city where the government operates from. The biggest and or most important city in a country. Yeah, so London is England's capital. Yeah. I'm going to the capital, London. Yeah. How many capital cities have you been in the world? So I have been to the capital of England, Germany, France, America, USA, Bulgaria. Yeah, that's really it. The capital city. So the capital of Germany is Berlin. Yeah, I have been to Berlin, the capital. I have been to Berlin, the capital. Yeah, how cool is that? Right, so capital are the buildings where the government operates from. The building itself that are used. Here we are. The city. Let's try and get city. Oops. City. Yeah, here we are. The city. Yeah, very good. Let's change that. Oh no, hold on. Yep, there we are. Okay, city, very good. So the buildings and the city. Yeah, very good. Okay, so this is the Capitol building. Yes, in Washington DC, there is a place called Capitol Hill. Washington DC. There is a place called Capitol Hill. Yeah. How cool is that? So these Capitol buildings are important and big. How long have these Capitol buildings been used for? Been used maybe 100 years? Oops. 100 years? 10 years? Yeah, I'm not sure how long. Yeah. But the architecture of the Capitol building is quite unique and rare. Oops. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So capital and capital. So can you use them in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.